Tim Moore here from TLC Pressure Washing, and we're out on the ridge of this roof doing the gutter clean out. The interesting thing is what we found for one of the first times is essentially what is the start of an ice dam. Now tomorrow we got snow and ice and sleet and rain coming, so that would make this extra bad. But what we're going to show you is essentially what happens when you don't get your gutters cleaned out, you don't get the shingle dust cleaned out, you don't get the leaves cleaned out, and it creates an ice dam. What is an ice dam? The definition of an ice dam is a ridge of ice that forms at the edge of a roof and prevents melting snow or water from draining off the roof. The water backs up behind the dam, can leak into a home and cause damage to walls, ceilings, insulation, and other areas. So that's the definition of an ice dam. But let me show you what one kind of looks like, or the starter one looks like. Now this is just regular, but right here, if I can get it to dislodge, is ta-da, a chunk of frozen goop. This is water that's frozen. There's shingle dust, there's leaves, there's just debris, and all of this is one frozen mess. Now this is all the way through, all the way down, and all the way to the front. We're taking this off in massively large chunks. What we're doing is we're using our heater, we're utilizing our heater to melt this, heat the metal up, melt the ice so it disconnects from the gutter, and then we're coming in and pulling it out by hand, throwing it down and getting rid of the excess and flushing everything down. But now what would happen is, since this is not letting anything drain, if we get a bad snow, the snow's going to sit on top of it, and in a couple of days or a week when it melts, it's going to cause a leaking problem. This also causes the gutters to want to break, be brittle, rot underneath. You can see where it's all rusting and very weak, and some places you can punch a hole through pretty easily. There's a hole right there from just neglect. So if you've got anything close to this, call us and we'll take care of it. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.